Hi guys, Andy here. Let's have a look at the NASDAQ futures for Thursday, November 16th. For the record, today is Wednesday, November 15th. Time is around 8:30 p.m. GMT. So we have our confirmation that the wave 4 low was in right here, because today we took out here the wave 3 high, which means that we have here our wave 5, or the start of our wave 5. So this was the wave 3. There was a chance that the wave 4 low was made right here after a triple tree correction, and today we got the confirmation as we took out our wave 3 high. So what can happen from here? So taking out the wave 3 high, at the one hand, this can be bullish in the sense that we are working, or a wave 5 will develop from here. So a fifth wave here in the higher degree. Now, at the same time, as we already took out the high right here, this means actually that the minimum conditions for a fifth wave are actually fulfilled. Like a fifth wave should take out the wave 3 high, and this is what we did today. So technically, we can actually start to reverse from here. I mean, like the wave 5 could be in right here, which is then the end of I'm sorry, now I have to go to the daily, which is then the end of this wave 1 here in the higher degree. So technically this is possible. However, for the moment, like with what we are seeing now, I would say this does not look like 5 waves to me. For me, I believe we have only, let's say, 2 clear waves, like a wave 1 and a wave 2. Like, imagine if we have to say that this wave is ending right here, then we would have to do something like this. I mean, this, like a wave 1, 2, then the 3 here, the 4, and then the fifth wave, wave 5 or 5, located right here. But this is not really supported in what I'm seeing. Like, for me, this is ending way too strong to be a fifth wave. So my primary expectation would actually be, like with the data we have now, is that we will see some more upside. Like the pattern I would expect is something like this, like more or less an like some kind of ending diagonal, where our wave 1 is the largest one, shallow wave 2, then a shorter wave 3, wave 4 pullback, and then a short wave 5. This is what I would expect with the NASDAQ, because for now it does not look like the other indices will follow in a big bullish move. I would say, like, the DAX still looks like it is simply doing a corrective move. Like, this part here in the Nasdaq coincides with a corrective move in the DAX. Also in the Dow Jones, it looks like this move here in the Dow Jones is a corrective move. So for the moment, with the data we currently have, I would not really expect that a huge fifth wave is will unfold here. So to put it into perspective, like, if this here, like now we are looking at the weekly. So this here, or maybe I better take the daily. So yeah, I believe it's like this. So this was our wave one or wave two. This is the wave three here. So what you actually could have, like from this wave four low, is actually a bigger wave five to the upside, like wave one, two, three, four, five. This is not the kind of wave five I'm currently expecting for the Nasdaq, simply because this move for the other indices looks like a corrective move. It does not look like very bullish or very large bull run will unfold from here. This is my best estimate with the data we have now. Does that mean that we have to end right here? No, I think we can see a bit more upside, because yeah, for the moment we are not really seeing some kind of weakness that one would expect. Like when the fifth wave is ending, it still looks quite strong. So therefore, I would still expect some more upside. So I believe there is a chance, or the chance is quite big, that we will reach this area, maybe not as a wave three, but then definitely as a wave five. And so this area we can find by taking the length here of our wave one, the length of our wave two, and then the area between the 1 and the 1.618 fib extension is the area where we can expect our price action to go, or at least from here I would expect sellers to step in again, and some reaction to the downside. But yeah, on the lower time frame, the difficulty is, like, we just have kind of a straight line. This is difficult to interpret. Now we took out the wave three high. At the one hand, this is like bullish, because it is evidence that the wave four low is in and that the fifth wave is unfolding. But we have to be careful with our expectations for a fifth wave, I think, because if you take out the wave three high, the minimum conditions are fulfilled for our fifth wave. Like a couple of weeks ago, like the move in the Nasdaq, the fifth wave. I mean the fifth wave in the DAX was actually also a very short wave, and so short in terms of perspective, of course. So short, with short I mean short compared to our third wave right here. And I'm actually expecting something similar for the Nasdaq, with the things that I see across the different markets. So I would expect some more upside, but now to chase the highs, like from here, might be kind of dangerous, at least without any clear pullback. I would not step in right here anymore. I would at least wait for a pullback, and even then it might be risky, because we already fulfilled the minimum requirements of our fifth wave, which is taking out the wave three high. So it's better to wait. If a big fifth wave is unfolding, then it's better to wait for some clear pullback, like a clear wave two down, for instance, or a clear wave four down. But for the moment, we do not really have this. If we go then to the 1 hour, yeah, also here I cannot add much. Like, there is not much interpretation with what we have now. It is just a straight line. RSI is kind of meaningless, I would say. Okay, we are breaking a trend line here. This could mean that, like, a fourth wave or a pullback to the downside is starting right now. That's a possibility. If we look at the 15 minutes, let's have a look here. Yeah, also here, I'm afraid I cannot do much. I cannot do much interpretation. So let's see the next hours and days if we get some better data that allows us to come up with a more concrete forecast. But in conclusion, at the one hand, um, taking out the wave 3 high is a bullish sign in the sense of we know that we have our wave 4 low right here, and that a fifth wave is starting, or that we are doing a fifth wave. But at the same time, we have to be careful with our expectations for this fifth wave. Could be that the fifth wave is actually a very short wave, and that would mean that we can start to reverse quite soon that upside here, as this fifth wave is limited. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you one of the next days for another video on the NASDAQ. Have a nice day. Bye bye.